In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage pages and navigation on Squarespace. Whether you're creating a brand new website or just need to tweak an existing one, understanding how to effectively manage pages is a key component to successfully organizing your site. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. Here, you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in today is Website. Click on Website, and then from the drop-down menu, select Pages. Now that you're in the Pages section, take a look at your existing pages. You will see sections like Main Navigation, Footer Navigation, and Not Linked. These areas define where your pages will appear on your site. To add a new page to any of these sections, look for the plus icon next to the section where you'd like to add a page, whether it be main navigation or not linked. Click this plus icon. After clicking the plus, a menu will appear offering you different types of pages to choose from. Options may include a standard page, a blog, a gallery, or even a store, depending on your subscription. Select the type of page you want to add, and you'll be prompted to give this page a name. Once your page is created, you can easily rearrange its position within the navigation menu. To do this, simply click and hold on the page's title and drag it to the desired position. You can move it up, down, or even between different sections like main navigation, footer navigation, or not linked, depending on where you want it to appear. For fine-tuning individual page settings, hover over the page title and click the gear icon that appears. This will open the page's settings, allowing you to customize further. Here, you can change the navigation title, the name that appears in your site's navigation menu, as well as the page title and description, which are important for SEO. You can even set a password for the page if you need it to be private. To remove a page you no longer want, simply hover over the page's title once again and click on the trash can icon. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion to prevent accidental removals. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm, and the page will be removed from your site. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to managing your pages and navigation in Squarespace. Mastering these basics will allow you to keep your website organized and professional, ensuring a great user experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of your Squarespace site.